Watch this, no developers, no HTML, no real users, just a prototype I built in minutes and an AI agent testing it like a real person. But the surprising part is how I got them work together. Designers aren't supposed to test this early, but I needed a shortcut. I'm a senior UX designer, and like most designers, I often need feedback long before I have real respondents. Colleagues know my flow and my style, friends are too polite, recruiting takes days, but design doesn't wait. I've been designing for over a decade, and honestly, waiting for real users slows everything down. So I started looking for a way to test my layouts faster, to bring them to life without touching a line of code. At first, I thought the answer was just build another prototype, but then I tried something different. This is where everything begins. Figma Make. I open my design, choose the first screen, and type two simple words, make it. And suddenly the layout wakes up. Buttons come alive, inputs breathe, pixels rearrange themselves into something interactive. It feels like watching your design take its first breath. But this is the first half of the trick. From here, I give it behavior. On click, go to, and I paste the next screen. No wires, no messy connections. Just natural language, quiet instructions to a very patient assistant. Step by step, the flow forms in front of me. Personal info, delivery, payment. In just a few minutes, I have a fully interactive prototype. Not perfect, but alive. You might think this is enough, but it isn't. GPT can't interact properly with the Figma domain inside its built-in browser, so I needed another piece of the puzzle, Maze. I publish the prototype, I paste the link into Maze, and suddenly everything works. Buttons respond, screens transition. The entire flow behaves exactly as expected. And GPT can finally step inside the prototype and explore it like a real user. Now comes the real moment, user test. I give the AI a simple persona and a simple task, and then I watch, I listen, I follow along as it narrates its thoughts, confusion, assumptions, almost like a real user sitting beside me. And here it is, the agent discovers the mistake, navigates back and returns to the starting screen. Task complete. A believable human-like test from a prototype I built in minutes without writing a single line of code. This workflow doesn't replace real user testing, but it gives me a fast, honest snapshot of the experience long before development starts. Figma Make brings the design to life, Maze hosts the interaction, and GPT acts as the first brave user walking through the flow. It saves time, it saves money, but most importantly, it gives me clarity. And this workflow is just the beginning. If you are building digital products, tools like this will change the way you design forever. If you want the full prompts and the exact process I used, you will find everything in the description.